Oya gatho cia mwanya thengio muno makiria ni unyitaniri waku miaraho ya muthenya wa umuthi ari Jumatano ya tariki 6 mweri ti ungi wa 8 naguo mwaka wa 2025 ndokana nigetha ngorwo ngikurehera mohoro ta uria turathi na mbere kana turikitie kuharirio ni andiki aitu aria mathite na mbere na kukiamba hema miena itiganite ya bururi niguo magitumenyithie maria marakigariura ajitagwo Maina Kihumo Mucera wa bare ya Mutai mere maathani ndo Mwangi nake Maina ni awa kumoro kuria kaunti ya Itanga kuria kaunti ya Murang'a ndikire nyiki twina Nyambura Musha metha-ini ya utauri na njira ya ciiko na imwe na ucio ge wa gicicio gakunyita ugeni muno makiria kwira yo bata muno makiria ndukaneire na ndukanehuthie twambiririe mohoro maito. President William Ruto ni ateteire kigina kia Hustler Fund na uteaniria kana na guteaniria aria maragiukirira makiugaga ati gitirateithia akiaria hindi ya gikaro na anyitite mirohonge-ini rwa aigithia kiumbe kiria kiharikire thingira-ini wa iregi gukonya Irovi. Ruto igite ati kigina kia Hustler gikoretwo gikinyitirira aria mari ikiro-ini cia thi kiwonjoria akiuga ati aria maranyururia kigina giki ni aria mataragibatara na ni miario yukite president augite kana yukite thari vote kurekererio na ikundi cia kurwira ihoto cia muingi aria morite Hustler Fund yeherio makiuga ati ni rahuthika kiuteti na ndirakinyanira itanya riria arongoreirio.
Are part of what we are dealing with very seriously. There will be greater conversations around how
I made a commitment to institutionalize innovation and of course tourism under the Financial Inclusion Fund, pioneering now corporate tax that is spent on delivery of. What does that translate? The people who talk from Nairobi, they talk to us from posh hotels, you know. They have money from this NGO and that NGO and the other one. Please, there are Kenyans who today have a mechanism for them to borrow money. And for your information, these small people who borrow 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, they have mobilized 5 billion shillings in savings over the last 3 years. 5 billion shillings in savings. There are people who would have wanted to save 20, 30, 40, 50 shillings a day. They did not have a mechanism on where to save without going into a place where their money could be lost. Now they have a mechanism under Hustler Fund that has the backstopping of the government of Kenya. They know their money is safe. And if they have mobilized 5 billion shillings in savings, micro, very small enterprise people who borrow 100, 500, 1,000 shillings, they do not deserve the condemnation that I see being leveled against them by some of the people in this space. To some of our friends, a micro loan of 1,000 seems too small to matter to anybody. But that is only because they have never walked in the shoes of those who were left at the margins of our society for far too long. They have never experienced the despair of being locked out of the financial system like millions of Kenyans have been for a long time, of having no credit history, no collateral, and no chance. That's what Hustler Fund is.
Tukithina mbere ati kamiti ithurano mihaka IEBC yugite ati ithurano ciothe nini ni cigutabanio mbere ya mwaka winikiriirie. Mwikirigiti wa kamiti ya IEBC Erastus Ethekon no uheanite mrugamo uyu indi ya gikaro na andiki ya mohoro akiuga ati IEBC ni ruteire gutigirira ati ithurano ciothe cigakorwo ire ciauma na waragania. Oroho hamwe na uguo The Con ni uritie nyumba cia mohoro kuruthania wira na IBC hindi ya gukamemerekia moimirira ma ithurano icio niguo kweheria wagagu kuri muingi. Hindi ni oro riu IBC ugite ni kwaraniria na wabici cia munene wa watho niguo gwetha utauku wigie campaign cia tene iria cironekana gukorwo ciambiriirie mbere ya githurano kinene gia 2027.
We have almost less than 2 years to the general election, as you know, there are some things that were outside our control for all of us. The late reconstitution of the IEBC, but that having been done, we are working around the clock to ensure that we meet the timelines to execute all these activities. So we will do our best. Somebody said it is actually the IEBC is the most consequential commission because for the simple reason that it is us who facilitate the exercise by Kenyan citizens of their sovereignty and their sovereignty to form a government of their choice using their votes. So we must be alive to that, and it is critical for the stability of this country that we work around the clock to ensure that we deliver peaceful, free, fair, transparent and credible elections. So that one we don't have a choice as a commission, but also as a country.
Multiple media houses tallying presidential results independently that caused public confusion and uncertainty. That is something that, and I like what Felix said, this is something that we need to renew our energies and focus on how we can be able to handle this. So can we align better this time? Can we explore a shared broadcast signal from the Central Results Hub? This is maybe some of the questions that lingers on our mind and we need to address.
We are concerned by the growing wave of political intolerance. Political rallies are being disrupted by hired goons. Hate speech and inflammatory remarks are being normalized. Few perpetrators are held accountable. This climate threatens not only democracy but also journalist safety. We ask the Commission to speak firmly and act in collaboration with law enforcement to protect civic space.
Nake mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni arutire mukana atongoria mwena wa mung'ethaniro aria mari na muvango wa guthamira mwena wa thirikari akimera mekwamukwo ni a Kenya na njira nene magikinyaniria muvango uyu wa kunyita mbaru thirikari. Akiaria hindi icera riake muciini wa Kansas bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika, Gachagua igite president akoretwo akigeria kuha atongoria amwe mwena wa mung'ethaniro niguo mathamire mwena wa thirikari ari mubango-ini wa guthararia mwena wa mung'ethaniro mbere ya uteti wa githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027.
Specifically, he has started with the mountain. He would want a situation where he divides the mountain because the mountain vote, by sheer size, is very decisive in who becomes president and who doesn't become president. And since he is aware that the mountain has decided it will not support him, he would like to divide the mountain. We are aware of schemes to form political parties within the mountain to come and rival the DCP, which is the party of choice in the area. We are aware that he is trying to introduce a third force by funding leaders who appear like they are opposed to him, but you start wondering where they are getting money all of a sudden to start dishing around in the country. These are things that are going on, but luckily for us, the people of Kenya are very intelligent and they see these things from far. People are very enlightened and they can see through William Ruto. And I want to assure leaders who are being used by William Ruto to divide the opposition, to divide the mountain. William Ruto will destroy you the way he has destroyed the leaders who hang around him. People can see through you. People can read your lips. People can listen to the language that you are speaking. If, for example, you hear a leader from the mountain saying that Rigiji is tribal, they don't like tribalism, that is the language of William Ruto. You don't need to have rocket science to know who is sponsoring that person. Because that is the language of William Ruto of saying the people of the mountain as tribal. So if you hear a leader from the mountain all of a sudden talking about tribalism, oh, we don't want tribalism, that is the language of William Ruto. You can tell. And then you can see those leaders are having some bit of money and they did not have money before. That tells you clearly what is happening. So I want to tell those leaders, the people are very intelligent.
Na gikundi kia abunge kuma kaunti ya Kiambu riu marenda Kiambu yeheranirio kuma gwe gitaro kia Mount Kenya na erugamie ta gitaro kiumbe. Abunge acio moigite wingi wa andu wa Kiambu mabataro kihiri ta uthii wa na mbere o ndomwe na gukorwo iri tauni kurabatara kaunti no guthukagirwo mbeca makiria undu uria ukuhotithia kunyihia kihiri kia mathina ma uthii wa na mbere na maria mathiete na mbere na kugumira kaunti no. Mwandiki witu wa mohoro Matthew Ndungo na ripoti ino makiria.
Kuringana na riboti ya utari wa andu na nyumba ya mwaka wa 2019, kaunti ya Kiambu iri na makiria ma andu milioni 2.7 na mbere nene na gukira kaunti cia Nyeri, Laikipia, Embu na Kirinyaga inyitanite. Ni kumana na namba ino nerethiite na mbere na kuongereka bunge ya Kiambu marenda Kiambu eto gicigo mwanya na kwambia guthukirwo mbeca makiria niguo kuhingia mabataro kihiri mothi wa na mbere. Kuringana na bunge ya Kiambu ikuhiriirie tauni ya Nairobi, iri na icigo cia ubunge 12 na iria nyandanduku makiria mathina mawagi wa tafaria cia bata magithie na mbere na gucokia kaunti ino na thutha.
Gutire hindi William Ruto na thirikari yake magikorwo makinyitithania Kiambu County, Kiambu Region na Mount Kenya Region nĩ takoragwo na kura. Gũkũ nĩkuo president athurirwo na kura nyingĩ, kura 6,600. Kura kũngĩ athuragwo na kura nini, na twenda tweheranirio na gũtaranagĩrio na maendeleo na Mount Kenya Region. Twenda andũ a Mount Kenya Region meikarie tondũ nĩ makuhĩrĩirie kĩrĩma kĩa Mount Kenya. Andũ a gũkũ gwitũ tũtikĩona kĩrĩma kĩu na gũtirĩ twahaica, na twathiĩ kwaica nĩ kũrĩhio tũrĩhagio. Ũguo tũrenda kuga atĩ thirikari ĩkue Kiambu Region ĩta region, maendeleo tũreherwo maitũ, president atige gũthiĩ Murang'a akauga Mount Kenya agatarania na Kiambu.
Hindi ya gĩikaro na mũingĩ wa Karatu gĩcigo-inĩ mbunge gĩa Tũnde ya mũhuro, abunge Jiji Kagombe, Githua wa Macukuru, Anne wa Mũratha, Elijah Njoroge Kururia na Alice Ng'ang'a maugĩte nĩ ihinda rĩa Wanjiku kũrutĩrwo wĩra, makĩoneka gũkĩrĩa mũng'ethanĩro nĩ kĩrĩa maugĩte nĩ kũhenia mũingĩ. Mahinyĩrĩirio na cigo ingĩ ciarũgamia mũhũranĩri wa gĩturwa kĩa mũtongoria wa bũrũri, Kiambu gũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyita mbaru Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto, ũrĩa maugĩte nĩwe wĩna anja ciothe cia mathĩna ma gũkũ.
Ruiru eiki nĩ rũgamĩrĩire kaunti imwe ciĩ hamwe inyitithanĩtio ithano. Ruiru eika tũgĩcoka tũrore Gatũndũ teno onayo no yume kaunti ingĩ cirĩ igĩrĩ. Koguo nĩ tũrabatara kũrorwo na ũingĩ ũrĩa wĩkuo nĩgetha akorwo nĩ maũndũ resources iria iratua kũgaywo andũ makahota gũkinyĩrwo nĩ maũndũ marĩa mamagĩrĩire, na nĩkĩo tũtira tukiuga ũhoro wa formula.
Kiambu oguo ina andũ aingĩ noguo yagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo ĩkĩreceive mbeca nyingĩ. Ũmenye tũkorwo tũkiuga mbeca ifuate andũ. The people who say that money follows function, ithuĩ tugaga mbeca ifuate andũ tondũ andũ nĩo bũrũri na andũ ti mũgũnda.
Thirikari nĩ ya broad base, nĩ mũtharano wa kũrĩa taũni. Indo nĩ gũtharana tũratharana tondũ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũtarenda kũinũkia indo kwao. Wona Kagombe ona barabara handũ irathondekwo akagutha aroretie kwao. Wona Kagombe ona kĩndũ gĩothe kĩngĩtwara ũthii wa na mbere wa gũkũ gwitũ akagutha aroretie na kwao. Ũngĩambĩrĩria siasa harĩa cigũkorwo cigĩtharanĩrwo keki ya thirikari, mũndũ ndarĩkoragwo eho. Nĩ kuonania ndagĩka ĩno niĩ ona ndingĩenda kũigua siasa. Ingĩenda gũkorwo njikarĩte harĩa keki iragaĩrwo nĩgetha ngae na thare ndwarĩire andũ a gwitũ.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo moritie mũingĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kunyita thirikari mbaru na kwĩhocia thirikari-inĩ nĩguo magunĩke na ũthii wa na mbere. PTC teti aya maugĩte matikũregera ikinya mĩto-inĩ ya gũtetera thirikari, makiuga no thirikari-inĩ mũingĩ wa kĩrĩma ũngĩgunĩkĩra. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Matthew Ndung'u wa Mbũgua.
Na ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ nyitanĩire kana ĩnyitĩre na nyitĩte mĩkĩũmbe ya motungata ma indo cia ũrigitani kuma World Health Expo nĩ guo gũtabania mogarũrũku ma motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ marĩa megũteithĩrĩria kũhũthia ũtungata kũrĩ mũingĩ kũgerera tekinoronjĩ matanyarĩ kũnyihia ũhũthĩri wa maratathi. World Health Expo nĩ matanyĩtwo gũtabania kĩgomano mweri wa 10 mwaka ũyũ kia monanio ma indo itikanĩte iria ihũthĩkaga mathibitarĩ-inĩ na oho gũthomithia ataaramu a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ũrĩa ihũthagĩrwo kũhĩtũkĩra mĩtambo-inĩ ya kĩrĩu.
Overseas Development Fund is actually dwindling and coming down. We all know about that. So we really need the private sector to step in. Now, and apart from that, we are faced by many other challenges, one of them being the climate change, which is a reality.
Kenya has taken a huge milestone, a stride towards digitizing and digitalizing all the services and processes that are happening in the Ministry of Health. And we do hope that this is a huge statement that the government is backing up, and we hope that it will have some effect, positive effects definitely in the coming days, where everyone will feel part and parcel of a system that does not rely too much on a lot of manual work or even healthcare providers' memory, or even carrying, the booklets and all that. But everything will now be in a digital platform. And I think digitalization and digitizing records has come in the right time. Some countries, probably outside Africa, may be ahead of us, but we are definitely leading the pack in some ways within the continent.
Na kurumirira kuhigwo kwa wabici cia SHA Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu na guthamirio nginyagia kaunti kana Kiambu town, riu aikari aingi a mwena uyu ni matariirie kigiriko kiao makiuga ni igutha inene kuri kuona riu maritumaga thavari ndaya makiria niguo kuona utungata wa SHA. Riboti ino turaithiranirio ni Njau ya Kenothia.
Tondu ni twaragia nao
ni makaya ma muingi icigo mbunge itiganite kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kurumirira kuhingwo kwa wabici cia Social Health Authority SHA tauni-ini ya Limuru na guthamirio Kiambu tauni, ikinya rira rirakaritie aingi. Kuringana na muingi uria ukoretwo ukiamukira motungata matiganite megi insurance ya ugima wa mwiri mwena uyu, ni matariirie guoya wao thutha wa kaunti ya Kiambu gutigirwo wabici imwe tu, ona thengia wayo gukorwo iri ya keri guothe bururi-ini hari wingi wa andu.
Undu uyu ndutukenetie to ni undu wa kuonania atiriri marekire undu andu matekumenya makeheria wabici na magatwara Kiambu na matienda gitumia kia kweheria na matiera uhoro ukonie wingi wa andu. Thini wa Kiambu ni tukona andu aingi muno guturanira wabici yetu kene wabici imwe andu othe Kiambu ng'imwe kana Kiambu county makorwo magithi kuona kana magithi gwetha utungata wa ugima wa mwiri handu hamwe. Uguo ni kunina andu acio, uguo ni kumanyamaria ki muturire.
Riu mundu ekorora murimu wake kana ni fair mundu agithioro Kiambu guthia ati gutuika ati ni egushughulikiwa na SHA. Tigai kumithia mundu uria withi muno ati murona mwikuria iguru mutumithagia twi guku thi kwi Ngai matu-ini na ni arona uria muratuherithia. Wabici cia SHA Limuru iratungatagira muingi wa icigo mbunge ithano iria ni Limuru, Kikuyu, Kabete, Rari na Kiamba, na kuhingwo gwacio ni igutha inene kuri makiri magana maingi ma aikari mwena ucio.
Kama hivi ndivyo mlikuwa mnasema bottom up, hapa hakuna. Ile kitu mmefanya, mnawanyanyasa wa Kenya. Kuna mtu alikuwa anataka services leo, maybe alikuwa amekuja kuteta, pesa yake haijafika. Mwingine anataka kulipiwa hospitali. Hii kitu yote haifanyiki. Ofisi mlifunga hapa Jengi Plaza, mkajipeleka Kiambu. Ule Mkenya alitoka Ndia leo akakuja akijua anakuja Limuru, mulimpatia notice. Ni kumana na uguo riu ni mahoete thirikari kugerera ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gwiciria keri gukinyanirio kwa ikinya riu itemi-ini ria guthaitira muingi wa thi. Oho ni marendekithia kaunti ino kuongererwo wabici icio ona makiria niguo gukuhiriria muingi handu ha kuraihiriria utungata kuri muingi uria ubataraga gutungatirwo. Thutha wa thirikari kuhinga wabici ino ya SHA iria iratungatagira aikari a icigo mbunge ithathatu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, riu ihoya ria aikari aya ni thirikari kugiciria keri na gucenjia murugamo ucio na kuhingura weru wabici ino niguo guthie na mbere na kwamukira motungata o ta mutugo. Ngiguithiraniria maria marahanika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Njau ya Kenothia.
Na magana ma arimi aria mathiururukiirie runyanjara rwa nyamu rwa Mount Elgonot mwena wa Naivasha ni moritie thirikari iriga runyanjara ruu kumana na uria nyamu ikoretwo igitharikira andu. arimi ya moigite icaine ikuhi tharikira cia nyamu ni ikoretwo ciongererekete na njira nene tharikira cia mbogo iria ikoretwo ikihuthika kana ikihithukira migunda yao na kumatiga magitara hathara kumana na guthukangio kwa irio ciao. Aikari ariu makiuga matura ma Mwiciringiri, Mirera na Longonot nimo mahutitio na njira nene.
Na kuna roli inasomba wanyama hapa usiku, inawaleta usiku na wakija kuchukua wanachukua usiku. So tunataka DCIO Njoro achunguze hao wanyama wanaoletwa usiku na kutolewa usiku. Hao askari wanatoka Njoro na wale wanainstructiwa na county commander wakuje kueffect watu hapa, wanajua hii order. This is the original court order yenye ilitoka kotini.
Tulishangaa akitembea kwa shamba, tukauliza, je, unaenda wapi? Anasema alitumwa na county commander wa Nakuru. Kufanya nini? Wakasema ati alikuja kupanda beacon. Beacon yenyewe ndio hii.
Yes. Tuliposikia kwamba kuna watu wanakuja nataka kupeana hii shamba kwa siri, tukaweka security ya vijana wakae hapa. Nataka niseme kwa sababu ya hiyo mjamaa ambaye alikosewa, it was a mistaken identity because hatukuchua ni nani. It was somebody who was not in uniform. Tuko na maskari wengi hapa, they are friendly. Kama kazi yao ni kumaintain law and order, sawa. Lakini askari ambaye anakuja wakati kesi iko kotini, what kind of conflict of interest ako naye?
Hii shamba iko na wenyewe na mambo ya hii shamba iko kotini. Kama kuna mtu yoyote anafikiria kukuja kwa hii shamba, aende kotini, apewe court order, atuletee hapa, tuone ametoka kotini, atuambie ni nini anataka kwa hii shamba.
Nyambe hoe thi John tondu ribotio ni ya kuria mwena wa ni ya magana ma aikari aria mararegana na borithi gukorwo magithagathagia kana riboti cia guthagathagia borithi niguo makorwo makimahamurithia kana makihamurithia family makiria ma magana 3 mugunda-ini wa Ngongongeri kuringana na sub county commissioner wa Mokin uria ni Mokin Plang'uni. Koguo ni ngucanio ya ndogo ya mugunda wa eka 2,600 gicigo-ini mbunge kia Njoro makirigana na riendekithia riu. Tucoke thiini wa riboti ni ria ngukumenyithitie hau kabere kuria magana ma arimi aria mathirurukeirie runyanjara rwa nyamu rwa Mount Longonot mwena wa Naivasha moritie thirikari irige runyanjara ruu kumana na uria nyamu ikoretwo igitharikira andu. Arimi aya moigite icaine ikuhe tharikira cia nyamu ni ikoretwo ciongererekete na muno makiria tharikira cia mbogo iria ikoretwo ikihithukira migunda yao na kumatiga magitara hathara kumana na guthukangio kwa irio ciao. Aikari aya makiuga matura ma Mwiciringiri, Mirera na Longonot nimo mahutitio na njira nene.
Sisi tumeishi kusumbuliwa na nyati, zinaingia kwa shamba na zinakuja ile wakati chakula imekuwa. Sasa zinaharibu chakula. Tumejaribu kufuatilia lakini hatujapata usaidizi bado. Sasa tumejaribu hadi tume give up. So kama mimi nilikuliwa shamba karibu 1 eka na ilikuwa na chakula kila aina. Wakati tulijaribu kuwapigia simu hawakukuja hiyo usiku, walikuja kesho yake.
Nataka tu serikali tusaidie maneno ya kufungia hiyo manyati. Yaani bali wanakaa iko wenye wanaenda kulisha mang'ombe huko na makondo na nini. Sasa ndio usiku inapotea inakuja pandi. Sasa manyati na ng'ombe haisipelekana pamoja. Sasa wanatoroka huko wanakuja pandi hii kusumbua
sana. Ni haisi wanyama nyati sinakuja usiku kitu saa 5 mpaka saa 7. Tunajaribu kuspiga, tukipigia game haikuji. Sisi ndio tunaashisha moto usiku ndio tusifukuze siende. Sasa vile mnaona upande
na gitio etikira tukinyi hau cigie mohoro maitu gitao miraho ya umuthi no ndugetikire gukorwo givacia mitambo ino ni tondu hena maundu mangi maingi maria tukuhariria thutha uyu makiria ng'ang'a wa nyokavi ni aroka na nigetha tutegerie kuria iharo-ini citu na tukimenye nginya uria mbitikairiria cithii na mbere cia chana uria cigikarite na maundu mangi maingi maria gituhariririe ni njitagumira kiuma mucera wa mbere ya mutai mbere maathani ndo mwangi nake mainene wa kumoro kuria kaunti ya Itanga kuria kaunti ya Nding'ori kaunti ya Murang'a tumenya Bramusha metha-ini ya utori na njira ya cieko hwaini mwega.
Kameme TV muthegi wa ruriri.
Woza moka laizwe kamwe kuja. Woza Mr. Mavela, Mr. Mandunya, Mr. Mabojeng ni kama ataka kururumia.
Nani Wanjiko James aka Miss Kanyoni aka The Lioness kumaza kede cia hwaine kinya thaa 11 cia hwaine
Reremboka club
on ones and twos Mr. Moto kama pasi DJ Jan 254 wamwambĩrĩrio Monday tugakurehere #Afro Monday edition
naguo wa kerĩ tukaingira thĩinĩ wa kanitha wa Reremboka
naguo wa gatatũ nĩ Wagwa Wednesday naguo mũthenya wa Thursday tuga pulo tuendelee ama tusiendelee
tugacoka makinya merĩ na thutha #TBT
#Ciaugavere nĩyo Throwback Thursday Kang naguo wa gatano tukamalo
tukainĩkĩria wiki Insta
thĩinĩ wa Cocktail Friday
we've got the juice
hwaini waku ukirie kwagirira ona makiria werorere tabarĩra ya hũmuka o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio nginya wa gatano thaa 11 nginya thaa 1 cia hwaini tukiaranĩria na ataramu Ndeto Shanaloko na Dereti Mwaki ciĩgiĩ kũgacĩrithia mũtũrĩre waku.
When you lose hope uteaga kĩrigĩrĩro no njohi na nyama na imwe nĩ tũramwĩra rĩngĩ nyama ndune nyingĩ ti njega.
Nĩ ũrĩ wona mwanake wa kanitha ũrenda kũhikia mũirĩtu? Have you ever seen that? Erutanagĩria mũno kũ make sure mũirĩtu ũcio every time hell way